If you're over 50 and thinking about trying Tai Chi walking, but you're worried about falling, hurting your knees, or doing it the wrong way, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to start Tai Chi walking safely, gently, and at your own pace. No pressure, no rushing, just calm, confident movement. Why? Tai Chi walking is ideal for beginners over 50. As we get older, our bodies change. Fast exercises can feel risky. High-impact workouts can cause pain. Tai Chi walking is different. It's designed to improve balance, reduce fear of falling, support joint health, calm the nervous system. That's why it's one of the safest ways to move after 50. What is Tai Chi walking? Tai Chi walking is slow, mindful walking. You move one step at a time with awareness, with calm breathing. There is no jumping, no pounding, no strain. You're training your body to move with control and confidence. Safety first. Before you start, before we begin, a few safety tips. Wear flat, comfortable shoes. Clear your floor space. Place a chair nearby for support. Using a chair is smart, not weak. Safety builds confidence. Step by step, basic Tai Chi walking. Preparation. Standing posture. Now let's begin by gently preparing the body. Stand comfortably with your feet about hip-width apart. There's no need to force your stance. Just stand in a way that feels natural and steady for you. Soften your knees slightly. Do not lock them. Think of your knees as gentle springs, relaxed and flexible. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Let them drop down naturally. There's no lifting, no tension. Just allow the shoulders to relax. Your arms can hang comfortably at your sides. If that feels better, you may place your hands lightly in front of your lower belly. There's no pressure, just a gentle, resting touch. Next, gently lift the crown of your head. Imagine a soft string lifting you upward from the top of your head. Your spine becomes a little taller, but still relaxed. Take a moment to scan your body. Notice if there's any tightness or tension. There's nothing to fix. Simply allow the body to soften. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently breathe out through your mouth. Take another slow breath in and breathe out. Allow your whole body to relax. There's nowhere to go, nothing to rush. As you continue breathing like this, notice how your body feels today. If you feel comfortable, you can share one word in the comments that describes how you feel right now. Calm, steady, or relaxed. I read your comments, and they help guide future videos. Basic step: lift and place. Now we'll begin with the basic Tai Chi walking step. First, gently shift a small amount of your body weight onto your left foot. Your left leg becomes your supporting leg, helping you stay balanced and steady. There's no need to rush this shift. Let it happen slowly and naturally. Next, slowly lift your right foot off the floor. You only need to lift it a few centimeters. just enough to clear the ground. There's no benefit in lifting the foot higher. Keep your ankle relaxed. Allow your toes to stay soft and loose. There is no gripping or tightening anywhere in the foot. Now, place your right heel down first, very gently. Think of touching the floor quietly, without making a sound. Once the heel is on the ground, slowly roll the foot forward, allowing the sole of the foot to meet the floor. Continue rolling forward until the toes rest lightly on the ground. This entire movement is smooth and controlled. Nothing is forced. Nothing is rushed. Take a moment to feel the ground beneath your foot. Notice how the floor supports your weight and helps you stay stable. In Tai Chi walking, there is no hurry. Each step moves at its own pace. Moving slowly allows your body to feel safe, balanced, and relaxed. Weight shift and breathing. Once your right foot is gently placed on the floor, begin to slowly transfer your body weight forward onto that foot. There is no rush. This weight shift happens smoothly, like a soft wave moving through the body. Avoid any sudden movement. Nothing jerks or pushes forward. Everything flows. Imagine your body gliding forward, as if you were moving through calm, still water. The movement is quiet, steady, and controlled. As you prepare to lift a foot, take a gentle breath in through your nose. Feel your body expand slightly. As the foot lowers and touches the floor, slowly breathe out. Allow the breath to soften your body as the weight settles. Let your breathing lead the movement, not the other way around. There's no need to control the breath tightly. Simply allow it to stay natural and relaxed. As your weight shifts, feel the connection between your feet and the ground. The ground supports you with every step. Continue walking forward with 4 to 6 slow, mindful steps. Each step is small. Each step is light. Each step is balanced. In Tai Chi walking, short, controlled steps create better balance and stability than long or hurried steps. Move slowly enough that you always feel in control. This is where balance, breathing, and awareness come together. Adding arm movement. Now, we'll gently add the arm movement to the walking. This part is meant to feel natural and relaxed. There is no effort and no forcing. As your right foot steps forward, allow your left arm to float forward naturally. The movement is small and soft, as if the arm is being carried by the step. As your left foot steps forward, your right arm follows in the same gentle way. The arms move in coordination with the legs, but they are never stiff or mechanical. They simply respond to the rhythm of your walking. Imagine your arms moving like soft waves on calm water, smooth, continuous, and unhurried. Keep your shoulders relaxed at all times. There is no lifting of the shoulders and no tension in the upper body. Your hands stay low and comfortable, around waist level or slightly lower. There is no need to raise the arms high. Let the elbows remain soft, never locked or stiff. There should be no force in the arms at all. The movement comes from relaxation, not effort. If at any point the arm movement feels uncomfortable, simply make the movement smaller. You may even pause the arms and focus only on the legs. In Tai Chi walking, there is no right or wrong way to move the arms. What matters most is that your movement feels calm, balanced, and natural. Choose the range of motion that feels best for your body today. Comfort and ease always come first. Continuous Tai Chi walking flow. Now, let's bring everything together into one smooth, continuous flow. Allow your steps to remain slow and steady. There is no need to hurry. Let your arms move softly and naturally with each step. They should feel light, relaxed, and unforced. Keep your breathing calm and even. There is no special breathing pattern to force. Simply allow the breath to move in and out naturally. Begin walking forward with 6 to 8 gentle steps. Each step flows smoothly into the next without stopping in between. As you walk, keep your spine upright, but do not stiffen your body. Think of your spine as tall yet relaxed. Let your gaze rest softly forward. There's no need to look down or search for something. Trust your feet and your balance. If you notice your mind beginning to wander, that's completely normal. When this happens, gently guide your attention back to the feeling of your feet touching the floor and to the rhythm of your breath. There is no judgment here, no need to correct or analyze anything. In this moment, you are not trying to get anywhere. This is more than walking. This is a gentle, moving meditation, a way to calm the body, steady the mind, and move with awareness and ease. Guided practice. Cue. Now, gently step forward with your right foot. Let the heel touch the floor first, then slowly place the whole foot down. Keep the step short and steady. Pause for a moment. Slowly shift your weight forward. Breathe out gently as you move. Now, switch sides and repeat the same movement. Move slowly. Relax your body. If you feel unsteady, slow down, shorten your step, or lightly touch a chair nearby. There's no need to rush. Move in a way that feels safe and comfortable for you. How long should beginners practice? This is very important. If you're new, start with 5 minutes once per day. After a few weeks, increase to 10 to 15 minutes. Stop before you feel tired. Feeling calm after practice means you're doing it right. Breathing and calm focus. Now, pause and stand comfortably. Feet about shoulder width apart. Knees soft, not locked. Spine tall, but relaxed. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your neck and jaw. Bring your attention to your breath. Gently breathe in through your nose. No need to take a deep breath. Slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let the exhale be a little longer than the inhale. Never hold your breath. Let it stay smooth and natural. Continue this gentle breathing for about 30 to 60 seconds, or 5 to 8 slow breaths, whatever feels comfortable for you. With each exhale, allow your body to soften just a little more. This gentle breathing helps reduce tension, improve balance, and calm both the body and the mind. This is why Tai Chi walking is not just movement for your body, but also a practice for a calmer, steadier mind. Closing message. If you're just starting out, remember, you don't need to move fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin safely and gently. Thank you for practicing with me today.